Hola, bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish for Beginners with Swapna. Today, we are going to learn basic Spanish greetings and how to introduce yourself and ask someone their name. So, without further ado, let's get started. Our first lesson is all about greetings or saludos. This is a perfect place to start when beginning any new language because this is the first thing you say to someone when you meet them. Our first vocabulary word in this lesson is hola. I'm sure you already know this word, but let's practice it anyway. Hola, hola. Very good. It's important to note that H in Spanish is always silent, no exceptions. So we don't say hola, it's just hola. Awesome. Hola. Let's keep going. After you have said hola, you might want to introduce yourself. There are two ways to introduce yourself in Spanish. First is by saying soy, soy, and add your name at the end. So I would say soy Swapna, which means I am Swapna. Try it with your name, soy, and add your name. Very good. Try again. Now, like I said, there are two ways to introduce yourself in Spanish. This is one way, and the more common way is by saying me llamo. Literally, this means I call myself. But really, it's just a way to say my name is. Me llamo Swapna. Now, in this word, me is not me. In Spanish, e always makes the sound a. So, it is me, me, me. And the double L makes the sound y, like a Y in Spanish. So, you pronounce as me llamo. Me llamo Swapna. Add your name. Instead of Swapna, say your name. Me llamo. Fantastic. So what if you want to ask someone what their name is? You say, ¿Cómo te llamas? Literally this means, how do you call yourself? But again, really, it's just a way of saying, what is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? The O in Spanish always makes the sound O, not O. Always it's O. And the accent over the first O indicates where the stress in the word is. If you have an accent over the letter, then that means that is where the stress is. So instead of como, it is como. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Very good. Keep practicing. So after you have introduced yourself and they have introduced themselves to you, you can say mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. It just means nice to meet you. Give it a try. Mucho gusto. Excellent. Alright, that's the end for today. Let's keep practicing for our next class. Adios.